Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter fudge. First, let's get organized. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of creamy peanut butter, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare an 8-inch square baking dish by lining it with parchment paper and giving it a light grease. This makes removing your delicious fudge much easier later on. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 1/4 cups of creamy peanut butter, 2 sticks of butter, and a small pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. You want everything to melt together smoothly. Keep stirring until the mixture is well combined and just starts to bubble gently around the edges, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your peanut butter and butter mixture is gently boiling, remove it from the heat right away. Now, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Stir in 1 full teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, gradually sift in your 3 cups of powdered sugar. Mix this thoroughly with a stiff spatula until the fudge is completely smooth and all the sugar lumps are gone. This step is key for a creamy texture. Finally, pour your warm, smooth fudge mixture into the prepared 8-inch square baking dish. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly, creating a nice, flat top. Now, the hardest part, waiting. Place the fudge in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it's completely firm. Once chilled, lift it out, slice it into delicious squares, and enjoy your homemade peanut butter fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.